The Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja has nullified the election of Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf of Kano State. Recall that a three-man panel of judges led by Justice Oluyemi Akintan Osabidi had sacked Yusuf on September 20, 2023. The court said the votes were invalid because they were not signed or stamped by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). The Kano State Governorship Election Petition Court then nullified the election of Yusuf, declaring the APC candidate the true winner of the March 18 poll.
The Court of Appeal upheld the decision of the Election Petition Tribunal for the governorship election in Kano State. Of course, as we have stated earlier, that NNPP did not field a valid candidate. Of course, we filed a cross appeal on that, and the Court of Appeal agreed with us and disagreed with the tribunal that the tribunal ought to have disqualified Abba Kabir Yusuf as a candidate because he was not validly sponsored, he was not a member of NNPP as at the time of the election. Of course, also the Court of Appeal agreed with the decision of the tribunal to deduct the 165,000 invalid votes that were cast in favor of NNPP. We have stated it even before we filed the petition that the NNPP did not win by majority of the valid votes, and also NNPP did not have a valid candidate. Today we have been justified. The Court of Appeal has upheld our argument. All the three appeals filed by Abba Kabir Yusuf, NNPP and INEC has been dismissed, and of course our cross appeal has been upheld. Yes, costs of 1 million naira was awarded against the appellants. This is to show you what the Court of Appeal thinks about the appeal itself, because in the judgment you have heard what the justices said, that it is no longer the case when political parties will, to the detriment of the provisions of the Constitution, just unilaterally impose a person who is not a member of a political party to contest in an election. The two aspects: one, there are appeals against the decision of the tribunal to deduct the 165,000 valid votes. Those appeals were dismissed and the decision of the tribunal was upheld. There was a cross appeal filed by us that the tribunal erred in law when it did not disqualify Abba Kabir Yusuf for him not being a member of NNPP as at the time of the election. That cross appeal was upheld by the Court of Appeal.
Can we do this?